I'm here in our We Are Inventing area. Now, this is our brand new area that's all about inventions, construction, engineering, and using your imagination to come up with some pretty cool contraptions. Now, if any of you have been here before, this has actually replaced an exhibit that we had for a long time, with a giant head. Some people loved him, some people hated him. I'll let you make up your own mind. But if you follow me through here, we've got lots of different things for you to try in this area. So here, this is our construction table. We have lots of different bits and pieces that you'll be able to play with here and see what you can come up with. If you come over here, this is pretty entertaining. I'll show you what this does now. Over here, my colleague Laura is having to play with her magnet wall. So this wall, even though it looks like wood, is actually magnetic, and all of these different gears here, cogs, these actually have magnets on the back of them, so that they can be moved around. Over here, this is all about plumbing. So you might think, what has plumbing got to do with science? Well, it actually involves a lot of science and a lot of engineering. So pretty cool stuff.